Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. So guys, if you are new on this channel, first of all you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. And if you have already subscribed for this channel, that's good. You will keep on getting the notifications regarding the videos which I will upload on this channel, which are gonna be very important videos for your upcoming exams preparation. If I'm going to talk about today's video guys, it is gonna be a very important video for all the students, those who are going to prepare for any of the exams. So now generally it is gonna be the case or the situation when you are preparing for any exam, you find any subject, it can be a particular subject, but any subject you can find easy or the other subject you can find difficult. Okay, so you may even have that particular subject in your mind. When I'm saying any subject difficult, so you will think about it, oh this one is difficult for me, okay, or you will be able to relate it in that way. So if you are thinking about that particular subject right now which you find difficult and you want it to be easy for you guys, keep on watching this video till the end. Okay, you may get some very effective ideas, and these ideas can help you to prepare that particular subject easily, and you will just love that subject after this, or even at least you will be able to get ready for the exam. So what you need to do when you find any subject difficult, do one thing. See, first of all, don't think or don't consider it in this way that you have to complete it, you have to prepare it completely. No, you should try to get those points from where you can get the questions in the exam. What are these topics or the most important topics from that particular subject? Okay, you are going to have from where, like, there are great chances that you can expect the questions in the exam. So just select those topics first. Once you have selected them, now what you need to do, you don't need to prepare them directly. You need to give some time to observe and to analyze the previous year questions, and don't focus on all the previous year questions. No, focus on that topic related questions you are having in the previous years. Okay, so focus on those questions, give some time to read them, to get like what kind of like information has been given in the questions related to that topic. Most frequently if you had the questions based on that topic, so how they have been asked. Okay, so observe and analyze all these things. Once you will start doing it, you will have a clear idea about the topic now. Okay, and if you will start considering the things in this way, how it will be helpful, how it will be effective, how it will help you to make the topic or to get that topic easily, because you are not taking that kind of pressure that, oh I need to prepare this subject, and you are not thinking anything about it. Stop having any kind of thoughts just related to it's easy or it's difficult. You need to think this is a subject, these are the topics which are very important, and that you will get after analyzing the previous year questions. Give some time to analyze those questions again and get to know about the concepts, get to know about the type of questions, the most important points from that particular topic from where you have got the questions in the previous years. So when you will spend that time, you are going to find it like, oh you are familiar with that concept now, you know like exactly what can be the situation given in the question, what kind of like statements can be there and all. You got just idea about the questions till now. Now after getting that clear idea, just in this way, because see, don't think it's difficult, don't make any kind of like anything, you don't need to consider about it till now. Now what you need to do, first of all try to work on those topics. Okay, one by one you will consider the topics, not all the topics together. Okay, when even you are analyzing the previous year questions and all, one by one do this thing for each and every topic. Now start working on those concepts more, you will consider them. Okay, which will help you to solve these previous year questions, or based on which you had the previous year questions. Okay, which you have observed, you got in the previous years and all. And even if there are some more exams in which you get the similar type of questions, you can even observe them. Okay, and now when you are going to start working to prepare the concepts related to that particular topic or from that particular area, okay, from which you get those questions so frequently, you found them in the previous years, now you will be able to get the concepts well. Okay, even solve those previous year questions with these concepts when you are working on that topic. Okay, now what you need to do after completing this much part of the preparation, if you are having any reference book or the notes, okay, from where you are preparing for that particular topic or the subject, you need to go through the notes completely. Okay, now go through those things, because once you have got to know about most of the points which are very important, you will be more confident about that particular concept, that you know about it, you have prepared it. And now go through the notes or the books, whatever you are considering. Okay, you can just go through that particular thing. And now when you are going to consider it, you will find like most of the topics or concepts or tricks or the points you already know, you are having a clear idea about them. And once you know about them, now rest of the points which will be new for you at this point of time, you can focus on them a little more. And that's how you will feel more confident about the preparation of that particular topic. And one by one, when you are going to complete these topics from that particular subject, you will find it quite easy. And when something is going to be easy for us, when we are familiar with the concepts, when we are able to apply the concepts in the questions, so basically the application part is going to be strong. Okay, and guys, in this way, when you are going to consider the things, they may be little bit time taking, but once you are preparing them, once you are getting to know about those things, you will find them quite easy. And there is no such magic which is gonna happen for any case, any situation, that okay, if you don't like something, you will start liking it, or you will just start loving it in the next moment. No, you will have to put efforts, you will have to work for it. Okay, and there can be different ways. Somebody can tell you about different way, somebody can suggest you something else. So when you are getting to know about these points, try working on them. And once you are going to start working on them, you are finding that, oh, this is going to work for you well, just keep on working on that thing again and again. Okay, it will give you the results, it will give you the good output. And I hope it's going to be helpful for you, whatever discussion we have done in this video today. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. One more update about the Unacademy Plus subscription. Quickly I'm going to provide you that there can be a price hike for the Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So if you want to prepare for the upcoming CSIR NET and GATE exam preparation with the guidance of all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation, guys, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. By using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Also guys, you just need to write the referral code as it is, no space in between, spelling should be same, that's how you need to write it and apply it. And I would like to tell you one more thing. Right now in December, every single day I'm going to conduct the special or the free live classes at 1 o'clock and 7 o'clock in the evening, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. You can join these sessions. In the community tab, you will get the more updates about it. Okay, on the everyday basis, I'm going to share the links for these sessions. You can join them. These are the free classes. And to join the free class too, you will have to use a code that will be same as the referral code. You can use the same code and you can join those free live sessions. There I'm going to conduct the series of sessions, guys, so don't miss them and try to be regular in those classes too. But if you want to attend more regular, well structured and well planned courses, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription for that, and you will be able to get the guidance by all the top educators after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription. One more thing, today a new course is has started on Unacademy Plus. So if you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription now, you will be able to attend its classes from the regular from the starting for this new course. And even in upcoming days, many other new courses are going to start soon. So I hope that this update will be helpful for all of you. And even if some course is already going on, when you are taking the subscription right now, you will get the recordings of those classes, and that's how you will be able to cover up each and everything very easily. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope it's going to be helpful for all of you. Also guys, many courses are going on by all the top educators on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming GATE and CSIR NET exam preparation. So to attend all these live classes, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And when you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.